आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, today question is a bag has 10 balls. 6 balls are drawn in an atom and replaced. Then another draw of 5 balls is made from the bag. Okay, so the probability that exactly 2 balls are common to both the draw is, you have to find the value. Okay, so let's move to the answer. First, I'm going to take here. So total number of ways for second draw. Second draw is, I'm going to return here 10c5. Okay, so is 10c5. So from the 10 balls I'm going to draw the 5 balls here. Now the the number of draws of 5 balls contains 2 balls common with the first draw, right? So 2 balls common with first draw of 6 balls is, I'm going to return here. So from 6 it is common to, so the remaining value is 4 comma 3. Okay, so it's 4 comma 3. Therefore the total probability equal to 6c2. Sorry students, 6c2 into 4c3 divided by 10c5. Okay students, I'm going to substitute the value here. So 6 into 2, sorry, 6 into 5 divided by 1 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3, and then whole divided by 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 3 cancel here, and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 2 cancel here, so 3 threes are 9, sorry, it is 3 value. Okay students, and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay students, therefore the value equal to 5 threes are 15, right? 3 into 5 into 4 divided by here 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 6, right? 3 into 2 into 7 into 6 here. So 3 cancel here, 4 2 here, 2 will 2 twos are 4, right? And 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, so therefore the probability equal to 5 divided by 7 3 are 21. So 5 by 21 is the answer. Okay, so if we see in our option A is the correct answer. Okay, so thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।